Show me, this is the real Egigwe, not today's dollar. This is the real Egigwe. Wow. Yeah, welcome ladies and gentlemen to this edition of the Agbalanze show. We are live today in my own local government, almost my own town, Enugu. We are live at the Isiri Museum, Enugu, Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. So come with me as we go and explore the best of Igbo culture. I think we have a curator here. Simon, I can never agree with that. That's goodness of good woman. Good woman. Balance na each also we and one na Enugu State. Yeah. Lagos goes to where Taife. I was sick. I will Egypt. Yes. So Umbano Kai, Bayano Kai Fugosi. Let's take it from here. Yeah. So this department is the royalty department. Wow. Royalty department. You watch it, it's like a palace. It's a palace. Wow. It's a palace. You see, this. If you see this thing, it's not a childish play. What's this? The current Igwe now. His Majesty Igwe. You see the head. Yes. Eze Enugu. Na Igwe Umu. You see? Okay, so why the Eze Enugu and the Igwe Umu? That is why I say it's the paternal head. It's the head of the 4 towns. Okay. Okay. That's like Eze Enugu and Igwe Umu. If you watch the former Igwe, His Majesty Igwe Stabuna the top. Eze Enugu na Igwe Umu. So there was fracas before, yes, because of this Igbo name. Okay. So it was a result around 1960. Okay, around 1960. By the colonial fathers. Yes. So Eze Abuna the Third is the first to take the title of Eze Enugu. Yes. From 1959. And he died in that's 48 years on the throne. Wow. 48 years. It was a result that the Enugu State said. So this is now when you are entering a palace, exactly, any typical Igbo palace, yes, what we meet is the Nzuzu. Exactly. It what does it show? It shows symbol of love, exactly, and purity. Beauty. That's Nana Batagi, no Government. So the Igwe is in late or early days. They use this as the stand for the. Not as the stand. This is not the stand, but this is the Nzuzu. But what you are seeing here, these 4 faces you are seeing, they are the 4 deities that are in charge of the 4 market days in Igbo land. Wow. 4 market days. Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo. So, in every market in Igbo land, the biggest market in Igbo is Nkwo, which is this is the deity. That any market in Igbo land, yes, that's Igbo people don't count. Yes. Days. We just count their cousin, but Igbo land, and the people that started it from Hungary. Beauty. Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo. Because every market go and research is established. So this is the Oche. This is Oche. This one is like a strong room in the bank these days. Yeah. So in those days, the chief has this thing inside his palace. So he used to save his and the Egwe. And yeah. This is the old Oche. This is Oche. You know. For the chief, yeah. This is the Opunkata. You know, we have car, but this is Opunkata. Yes. If you watch, it's not the one that will put this. The people that will put this one is the traditional cabinet members. So this one is Apa. This one is Apa Wenfi. This is Apa Wenfi. In those days, old people used to hang it while going out of their house. Okay. Inside it, you have a fork and what we call lotus. Okay. And not only that, any other thing can be, you depend yourself. And it's going to depend on the ring. And this is the Okay, this one is Ngwagri, not the regular. Not which is there. This one is a symbol of authority
for the
traditional cabinet members.
Beautiful.
So when they are in a ceremonial mood, everybody will come out with this.
And this is Oji.
Yes,
representing Oji.
Look at the chief now, praying with the kola nuts.
Exactly.
With your fourth.
It is Ofo.
Ofo is symbol of justice, equity, and good conscience.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Praying. With red, as a red, it's a chief.
The red cat chief.
And if you watch the face, if you look at the face very well,
Obulichi.
That's what we call scarification.
Exactly.
Obulichi.
How to know the strong men in society.
Sign of gravity.
Ibuichi. This is Opike. Okay, this is the lion. Is it lion?
Not this is Mbada.
Okay, Mbada.
Yes, the scale. Nice. But this is Chief Judge. So we told you they look at the two-edged sword.
Okay. Okay.
But now they eat Mbochi.
Exactly. Just
if
like
the case has the village matters. Appear before him.
Wow.
To decide.
Okay. Onyosi
in the palace. Okay. Must be naked.
Yeah. Okay. They are always naked.
Small boy.
Okay. Small boy.
Not
yes.
Only is pure.
Yeah.
Then these are ranks. This one is a cheap people that are put on the
yeah.
So this one is higher than this. This one is higher than that.
Okay.
And this one is mostly for the person that has only sort of title. Only boy to wear one man.
Okay.
Those
that use fowl, a cow to bury their fathers.
Boy, if you know, boy, if you
beautiful,
you know,
beautiful.
Okay. So this is the young high title for women. That's why she can be in the palace.
Yes. Yes.
Not every woman can be like
exactly.
But because she's no more a woman now.
Yeah.
So all it follows to take decision in the village.
Palace,
the palace.
So the man and your mother Ibuichi. Ibuichi no.
Okay, the musical instrument session.
Okay, the musical instrument. The Igbo musical instrument session.
But for them, this one is what we call Ukuma DC. You know, during the colonial masters, when you have a cotton man.
Yes.
This was the cap they used.
They used exactly
in the courtroom.
Exactly.
In the colonial era.
Yeah.
Ukuma DC.
Yeah. Okay.
Now this is Alo. Alo.
I know. Gang.
This one is very crafty. And for title people.
Yes.
You play with this kind of
This is Obelu.
This is no.
Yes, no. Obelu.
Yes. This is no.
Chaka.
This is Chaka now. It's from Calabar.
Yes.
Chaka. This is Ubia. Pondons and this is
if you will
for traditional, you know, folk tale.
Yeah.
This is Biafra. They use it to eji etu mmadụ afọ. Oke mmadụ ka eji akpọ.
And this one.
Now this one is in this section we have the
This is the gun. Oka people you did now.
This one is the leader of the defender of Enugu in those days. There's a group we call Ebenoba Society. Okay. They go for war on behalf of Enugu.
Wow.
So this was their leader.
Wow.
This type of gun they used in those days.
This is the type of gun they used to shoot.
This type of gun they used in those days.
Do I? You shoot one, you run because you have to go and prepare. If you put in Sebo before you come out. So you want to go also come and see.
This one is one of their war implements.
Okay. The daggers they
use. That they use.
This should be one and
we call it war dagger.
Yeah.
Mmayegega.
Okay, Mmayegega.
How they are moving now. Okay.
You know, that's what they do. So this side is the masquerade session.
Wow.
You watch, you have
Okay,
this is the Okoma, this is the Mma on age. Okay, this is the Bochum This is Joji. Okay? This is Joji. This is the man. This masquerade.
Okay, this masquerade. Okoma masquerade.
This is a very dangerous masquerade.
Yes, we grew up
big masquerade. Look at it now. And I'm money out one. I'm not hold on. Okay, because of the influence of the spirit, look at this one. Okay. This one another dangerous masquerade that displayed in between 1898 and 1925.
It played between 1898 and 1925. Adakada masquerade.
Very dangerous.
Wow. Adakada masquerade. Wow. And this is a Atom masquerade.
Storyteller.
Okay, this is a Lugu Atom masquerade. We have Atom Atom Mugo now.
This is Atom again.
Wow.
Storyteller.
And if you open it, you have more. You talk about more. Not about more. More.
Now this is Namo, father and mother.
Okay, the father and mother of masquerade.
And this is the son, Agabe.
Okay.
This is Agabe. It's only to paint his face.
Okay.
Only to be.
When you have
Agabe. This masquerade is played in 1940, between 1940 and
1967. Beautiful.
You see? This one is called Azurumo. This one is used to cover where they put this dangerous masquerade.
Okay.
And in those days, women, when they cover it, women are not allowed to pass. Like, you pass the menstrual circumstances.
Wow.
In those days.
Wow.
So this one is the Uzombo. When you hear about the rich man in the olden days, the rich man.
Yeah. This is
the gate.
The rich man.
Who is rich?
Wow.
This is the gate. Who is rich? Thinkingly rich.
Yeah. This is the gate. This is beautiful.
Now, let's go to the next section. This is some traditional Igbo worship items.
Okay.
Now, this one is called Arrobonago. Aquarium.
Made with
this is a goddess of female fertility.
Okay. Wow.
So this is the goddess of female fertility. Wow. And this one is Okoezumezu and the this is Okoezumezu. Okoezumezu.
Okoejieme.
No, this is Okoejieme started on the million. Okay. To settle on the million.
Powder.
Nke a bụ nke onye ichie ji onye kara aka na mgbede abalị kolie ọ na-akpọchọ ịpụ na biri ma ụzọ adịrị otu a nwere wine nọ trak so ọ kpọrọ n'abalị okonye so o nwee denja ọ ga-enye signal
Wow. Okuku ndị ichie dịka anyị this one is okay eze dibia
na-agba afa
yes
fortune telling
iwu ugiri
agba afa divination
eze dibia
Okuku Arobinago. This one, in the olden days, that hang in front of the compound like this, to ward off any evil that is coming. Not inside the compound.
Beautiful.
Okuku Arobinago. It's a defender of the compound.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a Munye Dibia. The wife of the Eze Dibia.
Yes, sir.
Eze Dibia, see your wife. Yeah. So this is
this one is this is for rainmakers.
Okay, for the rainmakers.
They do something here. You see, smoke will go, rain will come in those days.
Wow.
This is for rainmakers. But this one is Okwa Abubo. This is where we put soup for our fathers in those days. We put fufu here, we put soup here. All the breakable plates in here. This one is Abu Moke.
Okay. To talk about Abu, like to say Abu, somebody is suffering from Abu. Abu is following somebody. Is this what they mean?
Yes. I say I'm not Tanzania.
Okay, you will come back and worship this thing or do some sacrifice. Okay. So this is Abu. Abu Moke.
Abu no man.
Nka. Yeah. Also we am. Nekwa Abu na aba here. Okay, this is
Okunzu, symbol of purity. Symbol of purity. It's for purification.
Beautiful.
It's for purification. It's a guy, but this one is in Piato also.
And this is a guy. The money we
use before for exchange.
For exchange.
This is a 4 bracelets. Then this is the person rich here. Or 4 bracelets. This is your 4.
Okay.
But this is the branch. This one was like this before.
We always hear.
This is
Ojiofo Ghana. Ide. Ojiofo Ghana. Ide. Okay, so this is the Ofo we used to hear about.
It has been long.
Wow.
It has been long.
Wow, Ofo.
This is what person rich here.
Okay.
Nice
one.
Then this one is Nkataja. Yeah, we
always see this one.
But this is Ochaka. For dwarf people.
Okay, for dwarf people.
But this one, we heard about New Yam Festival.
New Yam Festival.
This is the God of Yam fertility.
Okay, the God of Yam fertility.
That gives bumper harvest. That's why you celebrate.
This is how it was in the olden days.
This is it. This is what you celebrate.
Wow.
In a New Yam festival.
Wow.
This is the God you appreciate.
Okay, for making our land fertile.
Giving the bumper harvest.
Okay, now we have the yams.
Yes.
And it makes our soil fertile for yam to.
God of Yam fertility.
Wow, beautiful.
So this is a traditional priest praying. But it's praying a dangerous prayer.
Okay, a traditional priest praying a dangerous prayer.
Three acts. You see your
four.
You see this neck here. Wow. It tells you that this is not ordinary prayer.
Yes. So that's why I go to Makota.
Yeah, this is the attendant. The attendant has to pack up here. So if people come, it will not jam.
It will not jam. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, I guess this is the last place.
Now this place, this is Jigida.
Okay.
Women used to wear in those days.
Not this one they wear now.
No, West. No, this is Jigida. In those days.
Beautiful.
This is Raka.
Beautiful.
This is Asian bus. Not the secular bus for carrying now.
Asian bus for traveling.
Not for putting clothes.
Okay.
It's what in the olden days we have this bus.
Okay. For men or women?
For men. 18 to 1966.
Wow, 18 to 1966 were used. Wooden balls for each year.
Yeah.
Nice one.
But this one is Ufia. This Ufia in the olden days.
Yeah.
So I bet what you are trying there.
So
this is
what it is from.
Yeah, this way is made from. Even this powder wine or this first
Yeah. Grind
and
what is the name of the tree? Even local dye. Like what is the name of the
tree? This tree now.
What's the name of the tree that produces these sticks?
This is exactly how it used to be. When they grind this, if you break it and grind it to become powder, then you put your color, any color you want. Eyeshadow, all these colors. This is where people make it.
Wow.
And this is a wooden plate.
Wooden bowl. Yeah. Nice one.
Wooden bowl.
Just like what they have to do.
This one they call it Oko Abachancha. This is used to prepare tapioca. For our dish and bowl.
Tapioca.
Abacha Abachaba. So these ones are the plates.
Okay, the plates for serving.
But this particular one It's a designer plate.
Okay.
A designer plate in those days. This one is called Okudimano.
Okay.
Okudimano.
Okudimano.
Okudimano. You understand? Meaning, in an time of my, if I wonder, look at it. Yeah. And this is the only share we are talking. If not, see the first wife and second wife.
Oh, either first wife be me. Second wife. Second wife and now one more. Now one. Okay, the second wife use this over million. Over million.
That's what you could million. Then not couple million.
But if you couldn't million, okay, could tell you a million.
Million.
Okay, million.
That was your million.
Okay.
I don't want to call them corporate.
Okay, now why pressing iron?
Yes, then this one is also. Okay. This agent can prepare soup over this in our.
Okay.
Prepare soup now with this over now.
Okay.
Just put on carrot.
Only chair. That is old slaughter knife.
I told you when you go with it. This one is old wedding hoe. We call it Nko.
Okay.
This one was involved before this one.
This man is this one.
That man is was the hoe that we used to weed the farm.
Okay, for weeding
of the farm.
Okay.
Weeding of the farm.
Yeah, weeding, yes.
And it's still say that, so we used to weed this farm. But this one is called Nchop. Nchop. It's a finder. You don't know where. But this one is grinder. Not this one will have electric now. Back on my tomato, everything may whistle.
Wow.
This is mortar and pestle.
Mortar and pestle.
We know this one matches.
Beautiful.
Let's go like this.
Beautiful.
Let's go like this. Now this is the way the women used to have done their hair in the olden days to make them look beautiful.
Yeah.
Natural.
Yeah.
Attachment
to the natural hair. They weave it like this.
This is the Star of David.
The staff of
David.
Okay, the staff of David.
With the hand of God upon his staff. Upon the hand of God, because the hand of God was upon the Star of David. In his lifetime, he fought 70 wars and defeated it all. So when the hand of God is upon your destiny, you are moving forward. Now you have Akaji Ofo. You are telling us what we are talking is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
I'm saying the truth and nothing but the
truth. So in the old courts,
like in the old court, that's what the reason.
This is okay. For you to swear today with the Bible, with the Bible.
This is what you're for in the Igbo court, customary court.
Yeah. Beautiful. This is
elephant bone. Wow, elephant bone. This one is an antelope.
Okay, the antelope for the horns.
Yes. Very old, very casual antelope.
Wow.
Serious one.
Ide Job. Anya Kude. Ide. Okay, this one is nest.
By special bed.
Wow.
You can imagine the creativity, the patience, the perseverance in building this house. It goes to the palm tree to bring this one by one. Keep on building this thing because of the children.
We rarely see stuff something like this.
It's a special bed. It's a special bed. Let's see the currency department. Currency. Here we have a lot of currencies. I don't know the one. This is the one called Egigwe.
Okay, this is the Egigwe. The Egigwe. Show me with the Egigwe. Show me. This is the real Egigwe, not today's dollar. This is the real Egigwe. Wow.
Wow. This one is that's the one we used before this one in Manila. Okay. After Manila, they use the Egigwe. After we use the guy.
This is Ego Ayolo. This is the Biafran 3 pence.
3 pence.
Biafran 1 shilling.
1 shilling. If you watch the symbol of Egigwe is there.
Yeah, the symbol of Egigwe is there. Then one shilling. Okay, Nigeria 1 shilling. 50 kobo, yeah, 50. Children, they need to see this.
6 pence.
I met 50 kobo. I met 50 kobo. I met 1
met 5 kobo.
We met 5 kobo. Yes.
But you didn't see British 1 shilling.
No, we did not see British.
When British colonized us.
British
1 shilling.
1 shilling. 1938.
But this Afro. And then it's Afro. I think you want Afro, but you know Afro.
Okay, you want Afro. This is Afro. You want Ashi. Okay, you want Shishi. You want Afro. Okay, this is Shishi. Okay, 6 pence is Shishi. Then 1/10 of penny.
This is penny.
1/10 of this penny.
10 of this one is 1 of this.
Is 1 of these. This is Ashi. Okay, this is Biafran pounds. 1 Biafran pounds. Biafran pounds. Wow.
This is Nigerian pounds. Yellow.
Okay, Nigeria wants to use pounds.
Yeah, we want to use pounds under British.
Yeah, British.
Under British.
Beautiful. This is 20 naira. Yeah. The old.
Yes.
About 20 naira. Beautiful.
Abalance, you're welcome to
Thanks a lot. We are Ogema. What did they call you now? Your Afro. There must be Afro.
No,
Akwezumpa 1. Then we appreciate so much. We wanted to come here and today we finally made it.
Yes.
So we appreciate. We are young people.
I love your spirit.
We want to keep on.
Keep on
advancing our culture. Exactly.
Propagating our culture.
And we can never ever stop.
We cannot stop.
That's why we are here today. We came yesterday, just like we told you.
You see, like me now. You see. I'm an ordained pastor.
I heard you're a pastor.
That's what you say, but I like culture.
Exactly. No, culture. Culture. It's on its own.
It's not I don't worship it.
At all.
It's propagating of our culture. Every part of the world has culture.
Exactly.
Some people came from ABS and they came for interview. Well, why are you? Can you reconcile? They were asking whether I can reconcile me being pastor and taking care of all. How do I know this and explain it?
Yeah.
Look, culture is biblical.
Exactly.
In the Bible, 8 days, if you want to be in Igbo land, 8 days, if you want to be
Exactly.
Huh?
Exactly.
In the Bible, I don't know if you want wine. In the Igbo land, I don't know wine. In the Bible,
it happens too.
In the Bible, I want one okay.
Yeah.
On the that's not the normal work. And the normal when they
exactly.
On the I want I get for 3 days.
No, Igbo culture is nothing evil. It's just that our people have chosen to perceive it from another angle. There's nothing evil about it.
That's not evil.
So we appreciate you so much today. For giving us your time to take us around the vision. And my followers out there will keep on pushing it for people to come here. It's a vision. For you to get to see exactly. For you to get to see the culture of our people.
Yes, so.
And thanks to my brother, my friend, my mentor, Dogunwake Uchemwara, for bringing me here in the first place to witness this. I appreciate so much. So see you next week on the episode of the Balance the Show. Thanks so much.